Okay, all in with this video. Share this video because I think our people are really getting what we are saying wrong. In respect to if a video melu maybe below dono. A lot of people are getting it wrong. In business, there is nothing like extortion in business. However you package or however you organize your business, that's how it runs. That's how it runs. However, competition is allowed in business. But while doing that competition, do not do a destructive one, just like VDM has done. Let me give you an example. VDM, who a hairdresser call, I don't know if you know that na VDM ne misi. Do you think that ne go ne Agnes juwe wivu isi? Ka VDM ne juwe wivu isi? The answer is no. Ije nanke Agnes. Agnes nwamma saloon nwere ike wolu 2,000 or 3,000. Wivu isi. Ha nwere ike wo 4,000 or 5,000. Ba isi. Mana VDM nwere ike iji 50,000 or 60,000 or 100,000. Ibuku oye buku. Owe wivu isi. O nwere ike because I'm not into all this hairdressing stuff. Services here are more expensive than a regular one here elsewhere. It may not the same rice. Here, Jena one restaurant here 1,005. Jena another one here 3,005. It may not the same rice here Jena Sheraton Hotel here almost 70,000 a plate. Jena Ofodo Hotel here 12,000, 13,000, 18,000, 20,000. It may not the same bottled water here now 200 euro or 300 euro. Can you have that on Ofodo Hotel or eatery or joint? More 2,000 or 3,000. It may not the same star. Locally here. I'm not talking about import or manufacturer or the same star. Here up on a bar baby. Gold star 800 or 900 and more. All the same star here Jena one joint or one eatery. Whereby go 3,000 or 4,000. In business, there's nothing like extension. And I'm age 4,000 we see me shaving. But I can bet when the age 500 I'm up maybe major 500 and I'm a joke up whereby what I go and I'm a joke up with that place. No katapa jekwe ya wiru apocha isi equal 5,000. Maybe you apocha isi equal 6,000. All these services do there for people who can afford or based on your choice. So there is nothing like extortion in business. So you people should stop treating it as if Lord and other businessmen are extorting us. Organize your own business. However, what we are saying is that now what VDM could have done is to advertise his own business. Because he cannot tell me that him himself cannot make money from what he has done. He has to make money. But trying to happen in the China. Look, let me tell you, if the buy in the China ni mafia, the buy show in the China ni mafia, ni mafia, they can make profit in manufacturing those goods in China. Because Nigeria here, they can profit for selling it to other people here. They in retail. It's not being done anywhere. I'm actually in the China na mafia. So many places. What VDM did is that now in the China ni mafia. Or in the buy or in the China direct naka. That is what it means. You want to go? Nevertheless, he is free to do that. But presenting Lord in such a way, or look at Lord and then extort in the buy or na Lord, that is what every well-meaning Igbo man should condemn. It is not about race. It is not even about tribe or so. It is about condemning the wrong thing. Only MC a book waloketa. MC aha now if you look at 50,000. Ibuko AY. AY nwere or now 5 million. Only only a book or now 350,000. Only only a book or now you go na. Only ya poko me POP be. Or now if you look at a go do to only a book or now those services are there. You are free to patronize anyone. When a shop hire package share to a button at that shop, he go to pouch phone 30,000 or 50,000. Button a shop roadside shop, he go to the same pouch 4,000 or 5,000. Some people will still prefer to go and buy it in that big shop. All these things are brief about Bujuranya, and we are talking about patronizing people locally here. Not to talk about Namado, Galmiri Nasa, Gamba Nasa, where they discover business, Bruzie Bata, Kori Po, Ulu from that business. He discover if you discover, if he need email, he organizing the structure in a way. He strategically and not by trying to present him as if he's ripping people off. There is nothing like extortion in business. I'm telling you. Let me tell you. That same rice and meat, exactly the same one. E.g., 4,000 wearing a restaurant. Somebody did 18,000 elsewhere. Now, so there's nothing like extortion. Video or not into all this hairdressing stuff or less more pussy. I can tell you that now oblego ne Agnes jiwe parisi kanyawa yejiwe parisi price is a change go yasino na rip off ordinary isi ko. So kirifa na ekwifa ordinary milli kiye golu 200 ebiana ebe complex ebe shop ndo na go o nwere Indomie cafe no n'ihu bata n'ime Indomie cafe igolu bottle water 1000 ije na supermarket do after my shop gbagolu igo the same bottle water 200 bata eba igoli 1000 ije ebeli igoli 200 or 250. It is about choice. Yes, it is about choice. So stop thinking that nande mad and extort mad even in Nigeria here. So if you want to start such campaign, you should start it here. If at all you want to start such campaign, you should start it here. But I can tell you that no matter what you do, you cannot deal with people's choices. Because people's choices, Jena Leki luxury car, J Gurumuto. Then Jena Leki luxury cars and those exotic car shops, J Gurumuto. If I had a Jashweba, you want to go. O Jena first stack eba na elemoto o nwere ike for such cars eba bete ego o je na bega o nwere ike for di motor ha bete ego mana o mi fo je na Lekki luxury cars ma wo Ola of Lagos where Ola of Lagos wotari ya igotago ndị na-ejikwa na supermarket eje gife omo ho na oba n'ime afia gota ship omo ho na oje na roadside gota ship mana o je na supermarket ebe dey tag ma kwado me olu eba. People with different strategies as you make their business, and they do need to structure to make profit. Leave it for him. If you have something different to present, bring it out. And then we for that. Yes. Or even in a video, that is the first step to show that you actually love him. If all men want to job now. You must not recruit me to fight your own fight. Yes, you cannot recruit me to fight your own fight. Now, we fight here, be Lord, and all about what do you know you are saying? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? That same phone, onye China me charge for nile, on onye China naka 200,000 for instance, because also you know both shipment and even 280. On onye China naka ebe 200,000 or 220,000. The cost of manufacturing that phone na China or 50,000 or 60,000. Yes. So only China will even as more profit than even Billboard. Are you not aware? No China will even much more than Billboard. Business is all about secret innovation. When I discover mine, I will reap my strength. I will reap what I have sold, because while you are sleeping, he was busy strategizing. Below the one now, the first person, Kwenu, that 17 Pro Max. Now the first person, because all more like Kwenu, will body, will engine, XR, TNM. Do you know what it took him to come up with that idea? And you are telling me that that idea alone, selling that idea alone to somebody who has money, you can collect a lot of money from that person. Ideas within any people ego. Ideas within any people ego. So he was awake, sleeping, cracking his brain, just to get such idea, and you want him to sell it as cheap. However, if you have a foresight that you can knock him out, you can knock him out strategically, technically, and not a potaki will honor cut or CIA, no meninka, no meninka. That is a hell no. You don't need that one them mother is yoku. Telling people truth is also part of loving people. Always being an OS member does not even guarantee any love the mother. Because he are going to do yes, onya had the only dungeon. You people should stop with this nonsense way of they claim and they question for the Igbo. As only Igbo will support VDM. Number one is either you are jobless. Number two is either nobody feel and you are not a businessman. You are not a businessman because all we go do na lolo. Iya man a glow SIM card na MTN SIM card upload the same thing. A yet no SIM card ka na abunele. And na Airtel upload the same thing. Na memory card dishe, na power bank dishe. For fengi nwere nke, oraimo nwere nke, different people nwere nke fa, and different prices. Yes, upload the same. It cannot be the same. Now the first person who's will be about a power bank in Obuda, which is like Kelafa this guy. Only liye on that discovery, liye rewire on before the mother when we see into that business. That is business for you. If you are not a businessman, if you are a businessman, this will mean absolutely nothing to you. Business is all about innovation, ideas. That is what will project you and make you outstanding from other people. And don't yana about people ogaranya. Iyasunye akuya shale buanye buna aseko people crack sha brain how we whip that business. He may respect ka gunu we me. Gunu ki me respect ko me. Share this video because I from commenting them mad na some places in where se can be don them mad anya. He we malo na no quote room ah ije ko ugwo 30,000 lah ka madu ko 1 million lah ko 5 million lah ko 100,000 we lah. Yes. Are you not aware? It will go wedo. You ever go the same thing, different prices, the same services, different prices. Share this video.